January, he freed Ma Bharati. Now it is our duty to clean the country and to serve Mother India. Now I will read out the pledge. Kindly please repeat it with loud voice so that it will mean that everybody has taken the pledge. I take oath that I will remain conscious about sanitary practices and devote time for that. I will devote 100 hours every year, meaning 2 hours every week for reaching this goal. I will neither indulge in unhygienic practices nor let others do it. I will start the cleanliness drive from myself, my family, my neighborhood, and my workplace. I believe that countries which are clean because their citizens believe in sanitary practices. Without this thought, I will propagate Swachh Bharat mission from village to village and street to street. The pledge that I am taking, I will administer to 100 others. I will try that those 100 also work towards hygiene and sanitation. I very well know that my maiden step towards cleanliness will help the whole India become clean. Thank you. Main agenda is now over. Now we can disperse and go to the puja hall.